Hi guys, what's up? This is me, Anushka, and we are live after a long time. Hi Sparsh, hi. Hey Ayush, what's up? Hi Rupak. So, thank you so much for 9 million followers on Instagram. Hi Sakina, hi Aniket, hi Deepika. I'm gonna just say hi. Surprise live, didn't know. No, it was not a surprise live. I didn't let everyone know today. Like few hours back, it was like a sudden today I realized that I wanna go live. Looking super cute. Thank you so much. This look, thank you guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for 9 million followers on Instagram. It's just really big for me. मुझे believe ही नहीं हुआ कि हम इतने जल्दी 9 million पहुंच गए. But thank you so much. Guess missed the story then. No issues. Hi Purvi, hi Glossy, hi Molly. How are you? 16k, yes, 17k viewers. Damn. My heart. Thank you. Hi Mukit. Hi Anshul443. So thank you so much for all your wishes. The reason I'm live today is because of my CBSE results, 89.4. Thank you so much for all your wishes. I saw so many people, everyone appreciated, and so many stories. I saw so much. Oh wow, we reached 19,000. So yeah, lot of appreciation from you guys, from the media people, from the print people, and I'm just really grateful for that. And in fact, right now, because it's 19,000, I'm gonna show you guys this. So this is my result, by the way. You guys can see it clearly here. So I'm gonna still let you guys know the total because there are comments on that. So see, English, it's 96, economics is 94, and physical education I got 100 out of 100. Accounts I got 60 because it was tough, and the last one is 97, business studies. So this is my result. I thought I'll just show it, I just put it out there since it's we're reaching 20,000 viewers. So yeah, but thank you so much for all your love. Woohoo, 20,000. So yeah, this was my result, and let me go back. Yeah, let me take a photo. So yeah, this was pretty much my result, and I thought I'll just let you guys know about that. I didn't believe when I saw the, I was really having a lot of anxiety because 5 hours I was waiting in front of the laptop, and even my parents. So, but finally 89.4. I'm really glad to have amazing teachers and my principal ma'am, my friends, Parsar, and then my parents, of course. So I'm really glad to have them. Everyone was like, you're working, and most of the time. Hi Ipshita, what's up, cutie? So most of the time people ask me, because I'm an actor, and how I manage my studies and how I got how I scored so much in my board. But it's actually because when I study, I'm like actually just studying. I try to focus 100% and give my 100% in the paper. But I'm really happy. In fact, I'm proud of all the students. Today the SSC results came out, and some of my friends are from SSC. In fact, Nidhi and Keisha also scored really amazing, and I'm really proud of them. So everyone, I would just want to say congratulations to everyone who gave their boards, CBSE, SSC, ICSE. Everyone's results are out finally. So all the best for your future, and I am very excited. My college life is gonna start. Did you see my voice out of excitement? How are you, Ipshita? Sup, buddy? I miss you. Wow, congratulations. Thank you, Sanjukta. Thank you. Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you so much. I'm really glad that because of my teachers' guidance, because of my parents' guidance, I could, concentrate and give my 100%, in the paper. My accounts was a little down because, I didn't get that much time to do accounts. But yeah, it's okay. I'm very happy about it. So, it's cool. But seriously, if you see, it's 60, 94, 96, 97 and 100. It's my first 100 out of 100. I'm very happy. Yay. Congratulations. What is that? What is that? Congratulations, beta. Thank you, Amay. Some guys are asking. CBSE. I was a CBSE student, guys. My results came out yesterday. No, day before. Day before, no? Day before. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rajasvi. Thank you for everyone's love and support. Thank you. I saw so much of in my DMs, when I saw my DMs on my fans, they were like, "Aaj koi nahi soega, sab nacho." I was that was a mood, yeah. This is a mood. I'm so excited for my first year college. I can't wait for the forms to get out. You got these hats recently. You're wearing them a lot these days. Yes, I was waiting for these hats to come, but then now they're here, so I'm wearing them. It's so cool. I mean, I find it cool. I really love it. I see avocado. Yeah. Love from Kerala. Thank you, Soul Rider 421. Thank you. My parents were very happy, and even all my relatives called, it's very happy. And if you see the Google, it's so cool. I mean, I'm just so grateful about that, of course, because all the media people supported and showered their love so much that if there was no coronavirus, I would legit throw a party just for the media people, because so much love and support. I'm not even kidding. I'm just very happy about that. Anushka, change your DP. It's been long. I know, but I just really love that picture. Yeah, just don't want. Not right now, probably. Hi Anu. Hi Sane X Treasure. Hi Anushka into Admirer. Love from Assam. Thank you so much. I dance on Jhansi Ki Rani in school, so my teacher called me Jhansi Ki Rani. Oh, how sweet is that, Urja? Celebration time, in it. Yes, celebration time, baby. Oof, okay, ha. Huge congratulations. Thank you so much. Love from Delhi. Thank you. I so want to celebrate. I mean, I am celebrating at home, but I want to celebrate going outside, but that's not possible. But ghar pe it's cool, yeah. Having fun. A lot. Now the forms are gonna come out, the college forms. Then I'll apply for college. And 18 days to 18. Guys, in 18 days I'm gonna turn 18. Yeah. Yes. I'm coming. Party, bro. Come no, Ipshita. Come. You come from Kolkata. I'm telling you to come, yeah. If you were here, we would party. So much. We know how much we would party. Sanjalik Bay got 93.4% in her 10th board. Please congratulate her. Congratulations, Sanjalik Bay, for getting 93%, 93.4 in your 10th. That's amazing. I'm so proud of you. Yeah, forgot the outside world for a couple of years. New normal. Forget the outside world. Acha. I swear. Shia. Not fair, yeah. Yay, 18 soon. Kitna plan tha mera? I wanted to have my license by now. Oh, dear God. Show your outfit. Okay. Let me show. Jitna dikh sakta hai. See, wearing an oversized. Yeah, pretty much. That's it. Do you like this username? I love it. Heart wants Anushka. I got 85%. Congratulations, Veshu. Congratulations. I'm so proud of each and everyone who got, who got the results right now. My brother got 93% in his board. Wow! Congratulations to him. No, Noor. Hi, Noor Zahra. How are you? What's up? What's poppin'? Can you come live on your birthday? I would. Why not? Want to see Damon? Ipshita, wait. There you go. Your thing for oversize. I've noticed. Yeah. Yes, I do. I love oversize. It's so cool, yeah. And it's so comfy. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. I'm vibing right now. Anyways, how do you manage everything so perfectly? I mean, I have amazing people around me, I think, who have supported me and, guided me through my tough times, because I was so scared about my boards. Every time, even during 10th standard, I was worrying that pata nahi kya hoga, hai na? So that time also I remember, I used to study late night. And you guys don't know me, my stories. Remember 6 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, I used to sleep, yeah. Oversize looks best. Oversize is a thing. You have to pull it off. It doesn't go with everyone, but I'm kidding. What is congrats Bacha for 9 million. Thank you, Mr. Shivansh. I got 94% in 12th. Congratulations. I'm so happy for everyone. Could you please say hi Pranjal and hi Almira? Hi Pranjal, hi Almira. You sent us your snap around 2 a.m. of you studying. I remember I was going to study, and I remember sending a picture to the Anushkins group that CM studying. I remember. Hi Chiu. Hi Chetan. What's up? What's going on, buddy? So yeah, I used to study late night, yeah. And now I'm happy. Finally, both my boards are over. 10th bhi ho gaya, abhi 12th bhi ho gaya. I'm also feeling a little weird because my school life is over. That is a bummer, but chalega. Can you say my name? Hi, Anushka Singh. Big fans. What's up? Krishna. Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. Can you say my name, Aditi? Hi, Aditi. What's up? So yeah. How are you, Anushka? I'm good. I'm good. Having fun. Congratulations, Anu. Thank you so much. Let me add. Okay, let's start adding now. Geez, you're turning 18. Geez, baby's turning 18 in around 19 days. Yes, yeah. Can't believe this. Congratulations. Okay, I can't add this person. I don't know why. Congrats, Anu Didi. Thank you. Hey, why can't I add anyone? What is wrong? I don't know. Why can't I add people? You're turning 18? Yes, I'm turning 18 in 18 days. 18 days. Hi. Hello, can you see me?
Yeah, I can.
I can't see you.
I can't reveal my face.
You can't reveal, it's okay. No problem. Aww. Oh my god, you're so close to the camera. Looks like Snapchat baby filter. Oh yeah. Hi Rahat sir, how are you? कैसे हो आप? Love you, Anu from Guwahati. Thank you so much. Wow, today we have so many people around. Oh, nice.
Hi, Anushka.
Hi, I can't see you.
Why?
It's dark. I can't see you.
Wait.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Why? How are you?
I'm good. कहाँ से बोल रहे हो आप?
मैं राजस्थान से बोल रही हूँ. राजस्थान
राजस्थान से.
जयपुर.
Oh wow.
Yes.
वहाँ पे अभी बारिश हो रही है या गर्मी है वहाँ पे?
बहुत गर्मी बहुत.
है ना? बहुत गर्मी
हाँ
होगी वहाँ
बहुत
पे
है.
तो. और यहाँ पे बहुत
Yes.
बारिश हो रही है. बहुत बारिश हो रही है.
You look
आप
so
कितने साल के
pretty.
हो? Thank
मैं
you.
अभी
Thank you
14
so much. आप 14 इयर्स के हो?
Yes.
वाह, तो आपका नेक्स्ट ईयर बोर्ड होगा ना? आई थिंक
No.
नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट.
अभी I am in 8th and
ओ
next
अरे
in
नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट ईयर. हाउ
Yes.
नाइस. बहुत अच्छा. वेरी नाइस. मैं तो कितना मिस करूंगी मेरा स्कूल. अब आप अभी भी स्कूल में हो, कितना मजा आएगा.
But yeah. And congratulations for your result.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Okay. Congratulations. Thank you. Hello. मैं आपको नहीं देख पा रही हूँ अच्छे से. Oh no, कट हो गया. Oh, also guys, thank you so much for 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Now we have crossed 1 million, of course, but thank you so much. We're, I think, on 1.14. So wow, that's incredible. Thank you so much, guys, for your so much love on YouTube. All the videos were, they're doing so good. My morning routine, the 2.4. My night routine did 2.4. My hair care is doing really great. It's crossed 1 million. And night routine and my hair routine and my live session on YouTube was trending. So I'm just incredibly grateful. I'm actually very, very grateful that you guys have supported me on Insta or wherever I go. No matter where I go, you guys always support me. So thank you so much for that. Okay, what else can I show you? I can show you something new. It's nothing new. Which college are you going to attend? I have to see. Oh, whoa. Oops. It got turned. Yeah. So, yeah, happy birthday. No, it's not my birthday. It's not my birthday today. It's not enough for us to see you for less than 10 minutes. I know, but it's just it depends. But anyways, we can do something like that. So I'll be coming live whenever I can on YouTube. Whenever it's like, whenever I'm gonna come live, I'll let you know. So that time you can. And even videos, I'll try to make it a little longer. You guys can in fact tell me what kind of videos you want to see next. I have something in mind, but I'll still see. Somebody just called me avocado girl. Anyways, what's your favorite color? Gray. How are you, Anu Didi? I'm good. Do a question answer session. You want me to do question answer session? But I want some new questions, guys. If I do a question answer segment on like YouTube, I would love to have some like new questions, like not the random ones which you guys already know. Like which ones I've already told, but something different questions. I would love to answer them. Some unique questions I would definitely answer. So you guys can take your time. There's no hurry. Anyways, yeah. Hello, hi Pia. What is your favorite mom's hand food? There are a lot of them. This mom ke hath ka chicken I love. I love palak paneer. from and there's this dish in Bengali which I have no idea what to call in English. I have no idea, but it's called aloo posto in Bengali. So if my Bengali fam is here, your favorite color, grey. It is okay. I'm not wearing grey today, but I also love this color. I think I'm gonna do something with this color. Now I'm gonna like start wearing this color. It looks good. Like it feels good. It's like very bright. Breathe if you're perfect. Oh God, what's happening today? Hi, can you see me? I'm trying to add again. There's so much problem, you know. I was waiting for like 5.5 hours because there was a glitch on the website, but yeah. Still the
Hi.
network. Hi, I can't see you. Why is there no screen here? I can't see you, buddy. Oh God, Instagram. Hi, can you see me?
Hi, I'm Ishkadi.
Hi, how are you? I can't see you. I can't see you.
मैं भी आपको देख नहीं रही. Oh यार.
Oh God. There's something really wrong with this ad wala session. I can't add anyone. I can't add. Anyways, so yeah. Joey, what's up? Ipsy. Okay. Why is this funny? I don't know. It is funny. I mean, I'm trying to add so many people. This is not coming. Oh God. Say hi, Pranjal. Hi, Pranjal. Hi, Shibin. Hi, my ass. Hey, what's up? So, hi, Lakshana. So, somebody asked me, what is your hair secret? So, if you want to know, my YouTube channel is there. So, you can check. It's a recent video. Hi, what's up? Siddharth Karan. So, how are you? He's writing champ. कैसे हो आप? कैसे हो आप, sir? How does it feel to be this pretty? Thank you. No, the problem is there's some problem with my DM because my DM nahi khol pa rahi. I can't. Love your cap. You do? Thank you. Thank you. Sid sir is saying that he likes my cap. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're the bestest. Oh my God, that means a lot. Thank you. Thank you so much. 89.4%. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. What was your subject? My subject was commerce. Oh, thank you. I wish I could argue right now. Thank you, Aesthetic Anushka. I love your account. Can you say hi, Shiza? Hi, Priya. Hi, Nandini. Hi, Rishita. Hi, Kittu. Hi, Priyanka. Hi, Sorna. Why two people laughing? Let's say something funny. Can you take my name? What's your name? Please let me know your name so I can take your name. Hi, Kavi Sharma. You're so simple. How? It is good to be simple. It's good to be you. I'm also from Ryan and I heard a lot about you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm going to miss Ryan. I'm going to miss being a Ryanite. Rand was a very good school, honestly. Like honestly, it was the teachers and the even my managing director, Madam Grace Pinto sir, Ryan sir, they're so good. Harley, hi Harley, hi, love from Meghalaya. Hi Shushmita, love from Mumbai. Oh damn, I would have played some music, but I don't have my speaker around me. Today I didn't do that setup. Oh god. Try making pizza at home. I would love to. I did make some dishes though, which I would not tell you guys right now because, of course. But yeah, there's some things that I made, which turned out epic. Your recent look was a mixture of Ariana's and Selena's style. Thank you. Oh, the gray one. I know, and so many people appreciated that look. Thanks. Thank you. Nice hat and welcome to the 1 million club on YT. Thank you, Mike Yuki. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. 1 million. That's huge on YouTube. Yeah. Hi, Hina. Hi, Hina. How are you? Hi, Poonam. Congratulations for your result. Thank you, Mr. Neeraj Thakur. Do you like my edits? Yes, I like all the edits that you guys have made. I saw, on 9 million, on 1 million on YouTube. Thank you. Thanks so much. Hi, Safia. Hi, Harshita. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna try adding some people again. जो last time हुआ नहीं था, but let's try again. Hi, Anvita. Hi, Vicky Rathore. Hello, Asha Roy. There's something wrong, guys. Seriously, वो connecting दिखा रहा है and then it's not connecting. Hi, Vaibhav Mehta. Hi, Vedahi Jalan. Why can't I add anybody? I don't know, because my network's quite cool. So, yeah. Sorry. How's my feed? Once check it. It's really good, yeah. It's really good. Seriously. I need to steal your bucket hats, please. Hi.
Hi, I'm really a very big fan of yours.
Thank you. Thank you, Vedahi. How are you? Where are you speaking from?
Kolkata.
Kolkata. Oh, wow. Are you Bengali? Or you just...
I can't... No, I'm a Marwadi.
You're a Marwadi. Oh, wow. I miss Kolkata so much. I love Kolkata.
I can't believe that it's you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I really can't believe it.
Aww.
Can I please take a screenshot?
Yeah. Please take your screenshot for sure.
I cannot believe it's you.
Sometimes what happens is the comments get lost, so I can't add. And then फिर Instagram का आता है कि you can't add. But
where do you live?
I live in Mumbai.
Oh, that's so sweet. You're such a sweet person, man. I love you.
Thank you so much. I would love to meet you sometime. If I come to Kolkata, I would try.
I actually, before the lockdown, I entered for the celebrity face thing. But then the lockdown came and I couldn't meet you.
I know.
It's real.
And I've always wanted to have a meet and greet in Kolkata because, I do have a lot of people from there.
I'm a very big fan of yours, seriously.
It means a lot.
And please, thank you. It means a lot to you. You added me in your live video.
Oh, thank you.
Ajay, will you post this live on your feed?
I might, yes.
Thank you. I love you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Vedahi. Take care of yourself and don't go out in this lockdown.
Yes. Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye.
How cute. How sweet was that? Damn, yeah. So you guys know, I was looking at my videos where I'm out and I'm traveling. Last year I was out. Last year I was in Delhi. Last to last year I was somewhere else. मिस कर रही हूँ यार, मेरे को बाहर जाना है. नहीं यार, but guys, jokes aside, please don't go outside. I've also not been outside now. I've just gone down to my garden. That took 2 days, and then it started raining cats and dogs. So yeah, but it's okay. It's alright. नहीं नहीं बाहर जाना है, कोई बात. My world. See now, this is looking at me. He's saying where next, na? This is where next. Now it's gonna be when next. Oh God. Oof. Hi Yashi. Ram Chirag. Hi Harsh Lalu. Achal. Hi Achal. कैसे हो आप? Can we play this or that? Sure. Why not, Ayush? For sure. Let's play this or that. Sejale Kanushka. I love this username so much. I've told you guys this so many times. Whoa. Okay. Cats and dogs, yes. Ipshita, you remember what you told me on the phone? Ki boli chili? Phone hai? You told me phone hai? It's raining? Leave it. It's between us. Me and Ipshita, no, we have this thing when we are calling. No, we are so happy. We sometimes we say it ulta. Like I said us din, leave. Anyways, okay. These hats are so pretty. Thank you. Yee. Rains and dogs. I know. Ipshita, guys, there's a fly. Okay. So it was raining, no? It was raining a lot. So she said, it's raining, rains and dogs. Just like me. She's just like me. Even I do this. Okay. Hello, Ruhanika. Would you rather be the richest person in the world or the smartest? I think I'd rather be the smartest person. I think that is more important. If I'm smart, leave. You all know how it goes. If you're smart, you can do stuff and then you can be rich. But if you're only rich, you can't probably. You can be smart also. But yeah, I think I'd rather be the smartest. Kismat Connection. What is that? Was it a movie? Hindi songs or English songs? I think it depends, okay? See, I would say English songs, but then sometimes when it comes to like emotions, sometimes I just listen to Hindi songs, like slow hymns. I love Arijit Singh. Anushka, do you play Ludo? Yes, I do. Sometimes. Do you play PUBG? No. I don't. My hands are looking so small. Why? नहीं ठीक है. PUBG नहीं भाई, नहीं खेलती मैं. I don't. Hello, hi Rishu Bara. Hi Rohit. Hi Tanishk. I'm gonna try new filters. Are there no new filters? There's no new filters. Yeah. Oh, there are new filters. You have to just go. I really like this one also. Wow, I don't look Indian also in this. Oh wow, pretty. What is this? It's not bad. Oh wow. Should I buy this color ka lipstick? Probably. Oh, trippy guys. What am I doing? Oh god. Oh wow. Hi. Okay. Pretty. Okay. Would you rather score? Wait, comment chala gaya. Haan. Would you rather score so good in boards or get rid of corona in the lockdown but score 60s? No. I would score good in my boards. That is more important for me. And I did also. So see, if I did, so now we should not have lockdown, right? You're looking so lovely. Thank you. Thank you, guys. I like trying filters sometimes. It's cool. Okay. I love when you start dancing randomly and then notice people are watching. I don't care. I can just go. I can do this for a long time. आपकी आईज बहुत अच्छी हैं. धन्यवाद. Thank you. Give me some recipe of your of cuteness. Thank you. I want to visit Korea. I was watching this very nice video of BTS. So for the first time, I've never heard BTS. I have, but then I was just looking. I've never seen the videos or anything, but I was looking. I had fun. Would you rather eat pizza the whole day or drink Starbucks the whole day? See, if I drink Starbucks the whole day, I'll have brain freeze. So I'd rather have pizza the whole day. Because, but then I would have to exercise a lot also. So but still, pizza is bae. Your hair is so beautiful. Thank you. You look very beautiful. Thank you, Ranashri. Hi, Busangana. Hi, Rimi. Hi, Preet. How do you study? I study. I'll tell you. Okay, what is my scene? Is even if I'm studying last moment, or if I'm studying if I start late or something, when I study, I'm just studying. Even when I'm working, I'm just working. The thing is, if you manage time really well, then you can, you can achieve your goals. It's just easy. When I'm studying, I read the chapters thoroughly 2-3 times, more than the question answers. Like the last me the question answers, I rather study like the whole chapter again and again, and then there are like important parts of the chapter. I do that, then it just turns out. This time it turned out good. You look good. Can you do a collab with someone? If you don't want to do it alone, make it fun like with Jannat maybe. Yeah, that would be fun. I was talking to Jannat that day. We spoke 1 hour. I posted the screenshot also. Damn. It's fun, no? With Jannat, no? Every time it's a lot of fun. You just forget everything. She's those kind of people who makes you forget you have a phone, you know what I mean? Like when I'm talking to her, so then, I forget I have a phone. Come to Myanmar after lockdown. Sure. I will. There's a lot of places in India I have not been to, and beautiful places I have to be. But yeah, let's see. What happens. Probably this year will be tough, but let's see. Do you like BTS too? It depends usually. Like, yeah, I do. Kind of. Yeah, I think they're cool. Catching virtual hugs. Oh yeah, I changed it back to sending virtual hugs. Thought it was cool. I want to meet you. I want to meet you guys. Be Pranit. Okay, let's see. I really like this, but I can't have this for the entire live anyway. But yeah. Hello. Okay. So, but So I want to tell you, Kolkata, I aage bro, please. Of course, I Ipshita. You know I had plans in April to come after my board. But again, I'll come. But you have to also come to Mumbai. Last day, Ami STM, so you have to come. Let's play Never Have I Ever. Let's play Never Have I Ever. Guys, ask me Never Have I Ever. In the comments. आप कोई पंजाब नहीं है? नहीं, I've been to Punjab. Hi Anushka, congratulations for your result. Thank you. Thank you so much. What is with the... Hi Anushka, please say Prabjot Singh. Hi Prabjot Singh. I have a friend called Prabjot Singh. Yes, I will. I know. I miss you, Ipshita. I want to meet. Check my DM, Anushka. I have to tell you something. I will. It's just, I told you, no, I have some problems with my DM. It's just not working. How old are you? I'm 17. I'm going to be 18 in 18 days. How cool does that sound? Congratulations on your result. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, Anushka Di. Hi. Which is your favorite color? This is the third time I'm reading the same comment, but it's okay. I also like black and I also like yellow. You is the best. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Preeti. Hi. Oh, there are two Preetis commented. एक के ऊपर एक. Hi. Ever lied to Ipshita? No, I have not. I can't lie to her. She's the person I would not lie to. By the way, Never Have I Ever season 2 is coming up. Yes. Hi, Sona. Hi. Which is your favorite dish? The dish I'm missing right now would be like, I miss biryani. Congratulations on your result. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, hello. Oh, hi. There's so many movies coming out. I'm so excited to watch Dil Bechara. Have you watched Gossip Girl? Yes, I have. Gossip Girls was one time it was like an addiction. But yeah, it was fun. I just really like Nate Archibald. That was his name, right? And I used to really like Nate. I used to also really like Charles, right? That was his name. Why am I forgetting? Say happy birthday, Radhika. Happy birthday, Radhika. Never have I ever lied to someone because we're lazy to go out. No, I'm not. I never do that. Never have I ever said love you to someone without meaning it. No, I don't do that. Oh, I really liked Charlie Puth's song. Really. Girlfriend. It's so cute. Never have I ever re-gifted a gift. No, I'm not. Rate Girlfriend by Charlie Puth. I think it's like a 9 out of 10. But it's really good. It's really like very good. Can you please say hi Sanaya, hi Ifra, hi Rahul, hi Tasnia, hi Almira, hi Jaski, hi Rishita, hi Anam, hi Abir, hi Avika. What's your favorite web series? I would have to say, see, I'm watching Friends right now, and I really love Friends. Really. BTS song. I'll tell you which song. I'll tell you. Boy with Love. Never have I ever been annoyed because of Anushkin spams. No, yeah, I don't know. Never. Do you like my account? Yes, I do. Hi Neil, hi Harleen, hi Shasi, hi everyone. But also, again, thank you so much for 9 million on Instagram, 1 million on YouTube. Facebook's going on really good. YouTube 1.14 million. And thank you for getting my personal videos, my account videos trending. Like my music videos have always trended, but never my videos, but then this time it was so cool. But thank you so much for all your love, and I've seen all the edits and everything of, you know, the results when I got on when my results were out. Everyone was appreciating, so thank you so much for that. And yeah, just I hope you guys are not going out right now. Don't order food from outside yet. And also, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe. It's called Anushka Sen Official. And yeah, that's pretty much it. What is your next show? So there I am in talks with a lot of people about my next project, but I don't know how much I'm willing to work right now because of the situation outside. But yeah, let's see. It depends on the work also. It depends on everything. Let's see. Anushka, is it only me, or when you go out, go to your story and write something to post on your story, the same time you click a DM notification by mistake, everything you wrote was gone? Yeah, that happens to me every day. But that's alright. Yes, Juhi, I do. I do remember. But yeah, thank you so much for coming live with me today, and lots of love to you, and thank you so much for all your support, all your love. Congratulations to all the guys who gave their boards and passed 10th and 12th. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for all the edits, all the comments and everything. I'm so lucky to have you, and stay tuned for everything. Stay tuned for a new YouTube video. Stay tuned for my posts, and I'll let you know if I'm, I'll come back with a surprise. So thank you so much, and lots of love.